Welcome. So today we are in Pearlbrook, which is in Texas City, Texas. And this is the Trinity floor plan. So it is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. And I think you're going to love it. It is a 2-story. I love that as soon as you walk in, we have these French double doors. And it's our study. So if you work from home, this is perfect for you. If you need a gym, without the membership, here we go. We have the utility room, and I say this is a nice size utility room. I love the size of the utility room as well as the floors. We have tile throughout, or this is our half bathroom here. Some people just don't have manners. Let's put that toilet seat down. We have a closet here. I'll show you the 2-car garage at the end, but let's go check out the primary. So I think this is a super nice size for a primary. You can definitely fit a king size bed with your nightstands and a dresser in this room. We have the double vanities, which is essential because I don't want to share my counter space with anyone. I might want to take some of theirs. We have our separate tub and shower, and this is a nice size tub. It's a little spider in the tub, so I'm not going to get in there for you, but you have beautiful green space. And look at this closet. So it has a shelf for you to fill up along with additional space. So I really love this primary space for us adults. I do love to cook, and I love the open concept with this kitchen. We have lots of counter space. We have an island, gas stove, griddle ready for us to make our pancakes in the morning. Pantry, I'm not for sure if we can do too many Sam's runs in this pantry, but it'll work for now. I love the large ranch size sink. Now just use your imagination. We are in Texas, so all this grass is dead. But this house really does not come with grass anyway, but it does come with a covered patio. So get you a couple of seeds off the internet and you'll get to growing green grass for a minute until Texas does what Texas does. Now, before we go upstairs, I'm just going to show you a quick glimpse of the garage. All this stuff will be cleared out for you. And we have a tankless water heater right here. Ooh, and a spider web too. But I'll get rid of spider webs for you. But nonetheless, it is a gorgeous space. But I just love the sun. So we have a secondary room. And we have 3 bedrooms upstairs. And here is our family room right here. We have, this is our third bedroom. Everybody's closet is about the same size. Your attic is right here above. We have the bathroom with double vanities again. And right outside your bathroom, you have your linen closet, right? So just take your linen in the bathroom when you get ready to take your bath. And this room, I feel like it's one of the largest room upstairs, but this is your fourth bedroom. I think the favorite child would love this, and because it's away from everybody. And you have the same size closet. And so this home is available now. And let me tell you, the interest rate that I can get you on this home is 4.99. Now that's till June 30th. So don't wait. Give me a call. Oh, and by the way, I am Melissa Walker. Thank you for staying to the end with the Walker Real Estate Group, and I am here to serve all your real estate needs. So whether you're looking to buy in 7 days or 70 days, give me a call. We can put together a strategy that's perfect for you and your family and get you into this home or any home in Texas. Give me a call, 409-692-7768. Now I got to go plan your first meal in this kitchen.